Morning light gently spread across Nanhu Bridge as the city of Nanning slowly awakened. The soft glow of dawn reflected on the calm waters of Nanhu Lake, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. Early risers were already out enjoying the start of the day. Some walked leisurely along the lakeside paths, others exercised in the fresh air, while many residents happily walked their dogs beneath the shade of the trees. As the city came to life, more and more people filled the streets, heading toward work and beginning another busy day in this vibrant southern city. Following Minzu Avenue eastward, the scenery gradually shifted from tranquil lakeside views to the modern skyline of Wuxiang Square, one of Nanning's major financial districts. Towering office buildings and busy traffic reflected the city's rapid growth and energy. Among the landmarks standing proudly in the area is the famous Diwang Building, one of Nanning's iconic skyscrapers. We made our way to the 53rd floor, where the elegant Kaichuan restaurant offered a perfect setting for morning tea. Sitting high above the city, sipping fragrant tea while admiring the panoramic views of Nanning was truly a wonderful experience. The combination of delicious dim sum, peaceful conversation, and the breathtaking cityscape created a feeling of calm happiness that perfectly captured the charm of a beautiful day in Nanning. After enjoying a delightful morning tea high above the city, we continued our walk along Minzu Avenue toward MIXC Mall. one of the most prestigious shopping destinations in Nanning. Located in the heart of the city's bustling ASEAN business district, MIXC is renowned for its massive scale, wide variety of brands, and upscale atmosphere. The complex seamlessly combines retail, dining, entertainment, and cultural experiences into one vibrant urban space. One of the mall's most remarkable attractions is its Olympic-standard indoor ice skating rink, a rare feature in southern China's warm climate. The rink has become a favorite destination for local residents and young people who wish to experience ice sports and leisure activities in a modern international setting. Inside the mall, luxury boutiques, stylish cafes, and fashionable restaurants reflected the increasingly cosmopolitan lifestyle of Nanning's younger generation. After spending time at MIXC, we walked back along Minzu Avenue toward another iconic commercial landmark, Hangyang International City. Located at number 131 Minzu Avenue in Qingxiu District, Hangyang City stands alongside MIXC as one of the twin commercial centers that define the core of Nanning's ASEAN business district. Though different in style, the two malls together create one of the most dynamic and prosperous urban areas in the city. Unlike many traditional shopping centers, Hangyang City places strong emphasis on social interaction and youth culture in both its spatial design and commercial planning. Trendy restaurants, dessert shops, cafes, entertainment venues, and fashionable streets create a lively environment that feels modern, energetic, and welcoming. For many local young people, Hangyang City has become not only a shopping destination, but also a beloved late-night canteen and social hub where friendships, food, and urban culture come together. Walking through these modern commercial districts offered a fascinating glimpse into Nanning's transformation into an increasingly international and youthful metropolis. Beneath the city's modern skyline lies a vibrant urban spirit, one filled with energy, opportunity, and the simple joys of everyday life. Minge Lake, located in the heart of Qingxiu District in Nanning, lies almost in a continuous line with the nearby landmarks of Hangyang International City, the Nanning International Convention and Exhibition Center, and MIXC Mall. Together, these destinations form one of the most modern and vibrant urban landmark clusters in the city. If MIXC and Hangyang City represent the prosperity of Nanning's indoor commercial world, then Minge Lake offers something entirely different. An open urban landscape where modern architecture, flowing waterways, lush greenery, and stylish nightlife blend seamlessly together. More than just a scenic lake, Minge Lake is one of the city's signature projects in building its identity as a water city and has become an essential part of Nanning's urban charm. Many locals affectionately describe it as the city's living room, a place where residents and visitors alike come to relax, socialize, and enjoy the atmosphere of modern Nanning. As evening approaches, the character of the area begins to change. The reflections of colorful city lights shimmer across the water, soft music drifts from lakeside bars and cafes, and a gentle breeze cools the warm southern night air. The wide pedestrian walkways around the lake become filled with people strolling leisurely, couples enjoying the scenery, and friends gathering for conversations beside the water. For many locals, the perfect way to experience Nanning is simple yet deeply enjoyable. Spend the afternoon shopping or having dinner at Hangyang City or MIXC Mall, then wander over to Minge Lake after sunset. Some choose to walk along the lakeside paths while enjoying the evening breeze, while others settle into a cozy pub or music bar to listen to live performances and chat with friends late into the night. Unlike the fast-paced nightlife found in larger metropolitan cities, the atmosphere around Minge Lake reflects the uniquely relaxed rhythm of Nanning, calm, comfortable, and full of quiet charm. Here, the modern city does not feel rushed or overwhelming. Instead, Minge Lake reveals another side of Nanning, a youthful and fashionable city that still knows how to slow down and enjoy life. Leaving Minge Lake behind, we made our way to the Nanning International Convention and Exhibition Center to watch the sunset. As one of Nanning's most recognizable landmarks, the Exhibition Center offers an excellent vantage point from which to appreciate the changing colors of the sky and the city skyline. Although the sunset that evening was not particularly spectacular, it had its own quiet beauty. As daylight gradually faded, the city began to transform. One by one, countless lights illuminated homes, offices, and streets across the urban landscape. Neon signs flickered to life, adding vibrant colors to the night and creating a dazzling contrast against the darkening sky. The iconic architecture of the exhibition center stood proudly amid the sea of lights, reflecting Nanning's modern and energetic character. From the peaceful morning at Nanhu Lake to elegant dim sum overlooking the city, from modern shopping districts and vibrant commercial centers to the relaxing lakeside atmosphere of Minge Lake and the evening lights around the convention center, the day offered a wonderful introduction to the many faces of Nanning. It was a day of leisure, exploration, and simple enjoyment, a perfect reminder of why Nanning is often regarded as one of China's most livable and relaxing cities. As we finished dinner and prepared to head home, the city continued to sparkle beneath the night sky, bringing a memorable and fulfilling day in Nanning to a perfect close.